You're writing your heart out, but your posts keep chilling on page 2. It's not your hustle, it's your strategy. In the AI era, search isn't counting keywords, it's decoding intent. So let's fix this. Quick throwback. Remember keyword density? I once saw a blog post literally repeat best running shoes 12 times in one paragraph. It ranked back then. Today, that same tactic screams low quality. What changed? AI. Google's AI, think RankBrain BERT and the MUM era understanding, doesn't just spot words. It reads context. It learns what a searcher actually wants, then hunts for content that satisfies that intent naturally. So if your page says best running shoes on every line, but never answers stability versus neutral, wide feet, or trail versus road, you're not just ignored, you're downgraded. Here's the penalty box reality. Keyword stuffing leads to lower rankings, reduced visibility, brutal pogo-sticking metrics, and in extreme cases, de-indexing. I tested 2 pages. One, stuffed with repetitive phrases and thin subheads. The other, built around user questions, with clear sections, comparisons, and original insights. The intent first page climbed into the top 3 and kept its position. The stuffed page got impressions, and then tanked after a core update. So how do you adapt? Lead with user intent. Start with the searcher's job to be done. Ask, what problem are they trying to solve, and what would make them feel done after reading? Then build topical authority. Instead of one mega post, create a cluster. Pillar content plus focused sub-articles that cover angles like pricing use cases, pitfalls, alternatives. Internally link them with descriptive anchors that make sense to humans. Write like you talk. Use natural language, synonyms, and related concepts. AI understands entities and relationships, not just exact matches. Answer thoroughly. Definitions, comparisons, examples, checklists, and next steps. Include original elements, screenshots, mini case studies, data you gathered, signals of real experience. Yes, use AI tools, but as a co-pilot. Let AI help you map questions, outline, or surface gaps. Then inject your human layer, your process, your failures, your results. Trim fluff. Keep paragraphs tight. Add scannable subheads that reflect intent, not clickbait. On page, make UX effortless. Fast load, clean design, accessible typography, and a table of contents for long pieces. Optimize titles for clarity over gimmicks. Best running shoes for flat feet. 2025. Stability versus motion control tested. Now EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Showcase who wrote it, why they're qualified, and how they tested things. Cite credible sources, date and update content. Add author bios, real contact info, and clear editorial standards. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're trust signals AI can infer. Future-proofing, treat SEO like product development. Ship, measure, iterate. Track which queries bring you qualified readers, where they bounce, and which sections satisfy them. Refresh content on a real schedule. Stay curious about Google's core updates, but don't chase loopholes. Double down on usefulness. If you remember one thing, stop writing for keywords and start writing for outcomes. Solve the searcher's problem better than anyone else, and let AI recognize that. Want ongoing playbooks, tools, and teardown examples? Hit subscribe, and I'll keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get you off page 2 for good.